Hello everyone, welcome to our latest episode in today's show. We'll be diving deep into the heart of a car and discussing one of the most important components, the engine. The engine is essentially what makes your car run. It's the component that converts fuel into energy, which then powers the car's wheels. But how exactly does this process work? Well, let's find out. The most common type of engine found in cars today is the four-stroke engine. As the name suggests, this type of engine goes through 4 strokes in a cycle to produce power. These 4 strokes are intake, compression, power, and exhaust. The first stroke is the intake stroke, where the engine draws in a mixture of fuel and air into the cylinder. During the compression stroke, the piston compresses this mixture, which makes it more explosive. The third stroke is the power stroke, where the compressed fuel-air mixture is ignited by a spark plug, causing the explosion that drives the piston down. Finally, the exhaust stroke pushes the remaining gases out of the cylinder, making way for the next cycle to begin. This cycle happens thousands of times per minute, producing the power that moves the car. And, with each cycle, the engine converts some of the fuel's energy into useful work, which turns the car's wheels. The 4-stroke engine is the most common type of engine found in cars. There are other types of engines as well. For example, there's the 2-stroke engine, which is often found in smaller, less powerful vehicles. There are also diesel engines, which use compression instead of a spark plug to ignite the fuel-air mixture. And finally, there are electric engines, which use an electric motor to produce power. But regardless of the type of engine, the basic principles are the same. All engines work by converting fuel into energy, which is then used to power the car. Well, that's it for today's episode of How Cars Engine Works. We hope you learned a lot about how car engines work. If you have any questions or would like to see a specific topic covered in a future episode, let us know in the comments. And as always, thanks for watching.